Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Arini, I'm from TBI1. I'm going to talk about research concept. While in this chapter, we'll talk about three subtopics. The first is the definitions of science, the second is the definitions of research, and the third is the purpose or functions of the research. So let's come to the first subtopic, the definitions of science. Science and research are two things that we can separate, that they have a strong relations, both like two sides of coin. And then science, well known as the result, while research known as the process. Science come from English word that absorption from Greek language scienta. The meaning is to know, to study or knowledge. Rob Lors and Ernest van den Heck say science is empirical, rational, general, and cumulative, and it's all four at once. From Dr. Ezeli Montagu said that science is a systematic knowledge derived from observation, study, and experimentation carried on determine the nature of principles. So that it concluded that science is collections of knowledge arranged systematically and coherently through the scientific method. Next, the characteristic of science is rational or logical. The second is objective. The third is open. The functions of science, there are four functions. The first is to describe, and then to predict. The third is to explain. The fourth is control. Next is the definitions of research. Well, we know that research is a process to get science. Baisurjana Sukanto says that research is scientific activity of systematic, consistent analysis and constructions. Muhammad Ali says that research is a way of understanding things through investigations or in search of evidence that arises in connections with the problem which was carefully done to provide the solutions. So, research can be also interpreted as a way or process of discovery through observation or inquiry aimed at finding the answer to a problem. Next is the research purpose. So what the research purpose? The general purpose of a research activity is to discovering, to justify, and to interpret new facts. The purpose of research is to find the answer of the problem through the scientific procedures. There are various kinds of research objectives based on the specific purpose for what they do the research. But in general, there are five purposes of research. The first is exploration. Research with this purpose explorations is in order to explore new phenomena. The second is descriptions. It deals with phenomena in more detail or to distinguish them from other phenomena. The third is predictions. This is to attempt or to identify possible links. The fourth is explanations. This assessment examine causal relationship between two or more phenomena. And the last is to prediction. Action seek to find solution with action. It usually done with experiment, observations, or result. The research functions. The functions of research is to provide an answer and explanation for a problem used in problem solving. The solutions and answer to these problems can be both abstract and general or specific. There are some other functions of this research. The first is to give data or informations. The second is to explain data or conditions or background of event phenomenon. The third is theorizing. The fourth is forecasting, predicting or projecting. And the last is controlling event as well as symptoms. That's all I think about my presentations. I hope all you can get what I mean. And I'm sorry if I have many mistakes in this video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.